Just pulled up right now. Let's hit up the guy and check it out, see what's up. First drive in the new car. Man, she needs some work, boys, but I am super excited. I've never thought I would own an S2000. I've always loved these cars. Man, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless right now. I'm super excited. I'm just really happy, really grateful. I'm gonna miss the ISF, but man, this car has so much potential. It needs some work. We're gonna take care of the maintenance and getting it registered and everything that it needs first and get it running right. And then this thing's gonna be a monster, guys. I'm telling you, these S2000s, they're one of the best handling cars you can get. They're so reliable. I got it for a really good price. It does need some work, but it's almost everything that I could do on my own or stuff that I would upgrade on my own. So it's just a really great starting point. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to share this journey with you guys and show you guys the whole process and just sharing my dream with you guys. So thank you guys for being here so much. And the only thing I ask from you guys, if you want to see this S2000 build, it's going to be a track build. It's going to be so sick. The only help I need from you guys is to drop a like. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. That's all I need from you guys. It helps me out. It goes such a long way. We've been growing the channel pretty fast this year, and I just really appreciate you guys. All that, any little money that I do make, and trust me, it's not a lot. It's all just going to help me build this channel. And a huge thanks to my wife too. It was about a 7-hour drive down here to pick up this car. We're visiting our family as well, so it's not just for the car, but still it was a long drive, and we came straight to pick up the car, and we're heading back right now, back to our families, and enjoy our weekend. And then this next video will be my road trip back with the car. Hopefully we don't get pulled over, because right now it does not have license plates on there, so we got all the paperwork we need and stuff, but hopefully we don't get pulled over. So stick around. I know she's not the prettiest, but we're gonna make her nice. She needs a lot of work, guys, but I think it has a lot of potential, and I think we can make it something really great. Cannot wait to get started on this. Today's Saturday, so I won't be driving it back home to San Diego until Sunday. Gonna be heading back home, and then once we get back home, we're gonna start tearing this thing apart and get it registered, stuff like that. Needs a lot of work. New brakes, rotors, new wheels. The paint is mismatched. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the paint isn't the same. It's close, but not the same. So I'm gonna have to do a color change. Cracked windshield. The sunroof, the top does go up and down just fine. There's no tears in it, but that'll probably eventually get replaced too. I love hard tops on S2000s, so that's probably gonna be on its way out. New front bumper. I gotta figure out why this headlight here is jacked up like that. I gotta remove the front bumper. Possibly the bracket might be messed up, so we're gonna fix that. Missing some, I think fog lights go there. I gotta look it up, but it needs some work. Needs a lot of work. Probably new coilovers, new badges here. The rear bumper is nice, luckily, and the rest of the body's good. Just the front bumper's a little messed up, so replace that anyways. The car runs really good. And here, pretty jacked up as well, to be honest. We're gonna replace the seats, both seats. I'm gonna probably try to get airbag for now to have an airbag in there, but I'm probably gonna do a quick release on here, new shift knob, pretty much clean up this whole interior, maybe replace some of these faded out buttons and stuff like that. It's not bad though. It drives good for the price I got it for. I know I can get it into a really good condition, so. Alright guys, so we're 111 miles in, and I just got that little maintenance required. Sign. Honestly, I'd be lying to you if I told you I knew what it meant. I have no idea why that turned on. I really hope it's not like low oil or something. This is the longest I've driven this car, so yeah, I don't know if it burns oil or something. I'm gonna stop at the next gas station that I see and check the oil, check the coolant seems fine, the temperature seems fine, so I'm just gonna give the car a look over and I guess keep going. Hopefully we make it to the next gas station.